Unboxing the mountain hatch tailgate insert. As you open the box, you're surprised with a brand new sticker that was placed in there by the mountain hatch guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you have a Torx bit set. That's a Torx. It's not your regular Phillips or your regular flathead screw. You're going to be using size T30. The screws that I'm removing now at the bottom are longer than the ones on the top, so keep them separated because you have to replace them back where they belong. Remove your old OEM insert, get the new mount hatch, slide it in, align it properly, and insert the screws back in. That's it, just making sure the last screw is nice and tight. And we've installed the mountain hatch food grade insert. Beautiful flat new surface for your Tacoma tailgate.